We offer hundreds of different recipe cards. These are some of our more popular 4x6 recipe cards. And you can see here are some 3x5 recipe cards, and here are our larger 5x7 recipe cards. You can kind of compare them next to each other. So, the three main sizes: 5x7, 4x6, 3x5. With most of our recipe cards, we also include a recipe card conversion chart that goes with it. You may be interested in some sleeves to protect them. These can be go into a recipe binder, or these can go into a recipe box. We also offer for storing your recipe cards. You may want to do a recipe box, so we have hundreds of different options for recipe boxes, including bamboo boxes engraved with your name or wedding date on the cover. We also offer full page or half page and full page. This is a full page and half page recipe binders, and in these you'll see you can store your recipes. And this recipe binder has been personalized with somebody's own name on it. So as you can see, there are lots of options for your recipe cards and all the accessories you need. And I thought I'd just briefly zoom through and let you see some of our warehouse of all the recipe cards we carry. This could get boring after a while, so I won't show you all of them, but browse through our site and you'll just see that we literally have shelves and shelves and shelves of recipe cards. This is what we do best. I hope you find what you like while shopping at the Cookbook, people.